Hello, everyone. Today, we will take you on a journey to one of the most unique districts in southeastern Bangladesh, the Chittagong district. Chittagong is widely known as the commercial capital of Bangladesh, enriched with diverse cultures, natural beauty, and historically significant landmarks. Its hills, sea, rivers, forests, lakes, and tea gardens together give Chittagong a distinctive identity. Chittagong district is part of the Chittagong division. Its total area is 5,282.09 square kilometers, making it the second largest district in Bangladesh by area. It is bordered by Feni district and the Indian state of Tripura to the north, Cox's Bazar to the south, Bandarban, Rangamati, and Kagrachari to the east, and Noakhali district and the Bay of Bengal to the west. The island of Sandwip is also a part of Chittagong. The geographical diversity of Chittagong is extraordinary. Hills, beaches, rivers, valleys, and forests make it incomparable to any other district in the country. The total hilly land of the district covers 373,130 acres. The three main rivers of the district are the Karnafuli, Halda, and Sangu. The people of Chittagong speak the Chattogram dialect, which is the second most spoken language variety in Bangladesh, with more than 15 million speakers. Administrative structure of Chittagong district: 1 city corporation, 15 upazilas, subdistricts, 27 police stations, thanas, 13 municipalities, Porashavas, 194 union parishads, 1,267 villages, 8 Moses. Names of the upazilas in Chittagong district: Anwara, Banchkali, Boalkali, Chandanaish, Fatikchari, Hatazari, Lohagara, Mirsharai, Patia, Rangunia, Rauzan, Sandweep, Satkania, Sitakunda, and Karnafuli. Coastal upazilas: 5. Mirsharai, Sitakunda, Anwara, Banchkali, and Sandwip. Population, according to BN 24-2022, total population 9,969,465. Rural population 46.7%. Urban population 53.3%. Population density 1,736 persons per square kilometer. Gender ratio: male 49.53%, female 50.47%. Urban population 4.9 million. Among them were 3.2 million live in Chittagong City Corporation. Rural population 4.3 million. Slum population 300,000. Ethnic minority population 148,000. Number of expatriates from this district, $500,000. Population by religion: Muslim 87.53%, Hindu 10.72%, Buddhist 1.63%, Christian 0.09%, others 0.03%. Literacy rate 81.1%. Education institutions in Chittagong: 2,997 primary schools, 751 secondary schools, 29 madrasas, 150 colleges. Earlier, the three hill districts were part of it, but in 1860, the hilly areas were separated to form the Chittagong Hill Tracts. Economic importance: Chittagong is called the commercial capital of Bangladesh. Chittagong Port handles 75% of the country's export trade and 80% of its import trade. 60% of Bangladesh's total revenue comes from Chittagong's trade activities. The Chittagong EPZ, built on 453 acres in Halishahar in 1983, is the first export processing zone in the country. Tourist attractions of Chittagong selected: Batanga Sea Beach, Foy's Lake, War Cemetery, Bhatiari Lake, DC Hill, Batali Hill, Shrine of Bayazid Bostami, Chandranath Hill, Banchkali Eco Park, Ethnological Museum, Banchkali Tea Garden, Mahamaya Lake, Mohuri Project, Koyachora Waterfall, Bashparia Sea Beach, Guliakali Sea Beach, Parke Sea Beach, Sandwip, and many more. Famous personalities from Chittagong: Hazrat Bayazid Bostami, Hazrat Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah, Syed Ahmad Shah Miran, Surya Sen, Master Da, Prafulya Chandra Sen, Ronjan Sen, Tamim Iqbal, Nafis Iqbal, Runa Laila, Asif Akbar, Ayub Bachchu, Nusrat Faria Mazhar, Purnima, Mehazabian Chaudhuri, Shabana, Nobel Laureate Dr. Muhammad Yunus, and many others. Cultural and mythical origins of the name Chittagong. According to local legends, the region was once covered with dense forests inhabited by wild animals and spirits. Hazrat Badar Auliya is believed to have arrived here from Arabia, floating on a stone, and lit a sacred lamp, Chatti. Through his spiritual influence, the area became free of evil forces. The term Chatti, Chattogram, Chattogram evolved from this legend. The place associated with this event is still present in Jamalkhan and is known as Charagi Pahar. Charag means lamp. Origins of various Upazila names. Patiya, from the ancient term patan meaning port, or from pati, mat-making. Banshkali, from bamboo forests and bamboo-filled canals. Anwara, named after Zamindar Anwara Begum or a respected woman named Anwara. Sandwip means prosperous island, possibly from the Arabic word sandab. Sita Kunda, named after Sita from the Ramayana, linked with the hot springs known as Sita's Kunda. Mir Sharai, from the name of local leader Mir Shaharai, Mir Saifuddin. Rangunya, from reddish soil, Rangaunya, or a local Zamindar family. Rauzan, from the Arabic Persian word Raushan, meaning illuminated. Balkali, from the abundance of bullfish in local canals. Hathazari, from Haji's Market, where 7 Hajj pilgrims were buried. Fatikchari, named after Arakanese leader Fatik or a local hill tribe. Lohagara, from metalwork historically practiced in the region. Satkanya, named after 7 Sufi saints or 7 divisions of the region. Ancient to modern history. Neolithic age, inhabited by Austro-Asiatic communities. Later displaced by Mongoloid groups. First mentioned in Pliny's Periplus as Chris, ancient sandwhip. Ruled by Chandra, Lala, and Pala dynasties. Ibn Battuta visited in 1346. Portuguese arrived in 1517. Controlled customs and trade, 1537. Arakanese ruled from 1581-1666. Mughal conquest in 1666 under Umed Khan. British East India Company took control in 1761. Revolts in Chakma and Sandwip. Chittagong played a key role in the 1857 Sepoy Mutiny. Mastered Surya Sen's armory raid, 1930. Pritilata Wadadar's attack, 1932. Major contribution to language movement, 1952. Significant role in Liberation War, 1971. Including workers, students, and the radio station. Chittagong District is a land of diverse identity, rich in natural beauty, history, culture, literature, sports, and arts. A station. Elements together make Chittagong one of the most important and vibrant districts of Bangladesh.